When your brother-in-law flies out from New York, you stay up till the sun comes up. When you stay up till the sun comes up, the maid comes to clean. And when you have a maid come and clean, you get lazy. And when you're lazy, you get old. And kinda dumb. And when you get old and kinda dumb, you drink a lot of alcohol. And when you drink a lot of alcohol, it's probably because your gay brother-in-law just flew into California. And when your gay brother flies to California and gets you too drunk, he has to buy you breakfast in bed. And when he buys you breakfast in bed, you know he needs to get paid. And when he needs to get paid, he tries to wake you up. Raul! Hey! And when that faggot tries to wake you up, and you still don't get up, he gets angry. And when he can't wake you up, he does fucked up shit. And when he does fucked up stuff, all the stuffed animals watch. Don't have weird stuff happen while stuffed animals watch.